grep error in all files. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too many hits, too many hits. Have you ever searched files for a specific pattern and had your screen explode with so many hits that you feel like you can't see anything? This usually frustrates me to the point of simply clearing my screen and starting my grep search over again. So I'll show you a grep option that stops the flood of grep matches hitting your screen, and will accomplish this by limiting the number of matches per file. We'll use the grep-m option to limit the number of matches per pattern. You can think of the M in grep-m as standing for matches, as in number of matches. So we'll go grep-m3, the pattern error in all of our files. Now look at this, nice and usable. We have 3 hits from log file 1, we have 3 hits from log file 2, and we have 3 hits from log file 3. This gives you the ability to see which files contain the pattern you searched for, and see a sampling of those pattern matches, all without overwhelming your screen. Now let's look under the grep hood for a second. Here's what is happening under the hood. If we type out grep-m2 error log file 1, grep looks inside the file log file 1. Grep then stops after it finds 2 instances of the specified pattern in the file. Grep then returns the first 2 lines that it found containing the matching pattern. Of course, we can also just count the number of matches with the -c option. So we'll clear our screen, we'll go grep-c, error, and search all files. And we can see here that in log file 1, we have 100 instances of the error pattern, and log file 2 has 200 instances, and log file 3 has 300 instances. The only disadvantage to using the -c option is that it doesn't allow us to see samples of the pattern matches. So using the grep-m option saves time when running grep against huge log files. It makes alerts more readable and keeps your terminal usable. Use it when you don't want to flood your terminal with pattern matches, but you would like to see a sampling of the pattern matches from each file. If you guys want to learn a specific new Linux command, or you're frustrated with your understanding of a command, let me know in the comments and maybe I can make a video explaining it. If you know of someone else that would benefit from this video, please share it with them. And thanks for hanging out with me. Take care.